Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to review and give you quick thoughts what you can actually expect from this game. So what is it about is that a woman disappears on the train, everyone pretends she never existed and you're the only one who remembers her. From there you start investigating, interrogating and slowly uncovering much bigger conspiracy. So you move through scene using command based options like talk, investigate, think and discuss, and it's great also the 2D pixel portraits are expressive, 3D backgrounds retro in nostalgic way. And the gameplay is very simple, very streamlined and focused on the story. It's like a visual novel than a hardcore like detective puzzle game. So the characters are charming, the world's politics and history tie into the plot, the pacing is tight and snappy and the twists actually land. So it's great. It's like 4 to 6 hours depending on how much you are actually gonna play and explore. And this is something that you can actually expect from it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.